to see. Oh, it's right there. That's crazy. Super accessible, bro. This by far the easiest fucking things, bro. The fucking fuel pump.
You just gotta be careful when you open the O-ring, because sometimes they break.
For being brittle and shit and old, huh?
They're aluminum, that's why.
Oh, okay. Damn, that's crazy. Alright, chat. Well, we about to get the electric fuel pump replaced. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my guy, Steve. Stay tuned. What's that, a 10M or 8?
Yeah, 10.
Okay. Just so the chat know.
Maybe it's been replaced already. Because when they have a clamp like this, that means somebody's been here before. Because they don't come with these clamps. These clamps have a factory one that is not reusable. I found the sweet spot. This one, it won't grab. Suck it.
That's a big one, chat. I'm finna smash this nigga with this mallet. Too fast, nigga. Damn, that shit look fucked.
It's pretty fucked.
Super fucked. Is it supposed to be brown like that? We ain't even unboxed the new one, y'all. The old, I mean the new one's still in the box. And this the old one right here. We go see what the new one color looking like. That shit cooked, gang. Oh, my camera not focusing, dude.
You got it?
Tight. What's that? That bag?
Filter.
Oh, okay.
See, this ways that you could rebuild it, but it's kind of useless. It's like, why rebuild it? You could just get a whole new one.
Right.
You could just like take this, break this lock, unplug this stuff, and like put it in. But then you have to make sure it grabs onto all this stuff on the side, and probably change the filter or put this filter again. It's just not, we're not in a budget like that.
Right. What the fuck? Damn. Shit. New one? Old one. New? Old. Old? New. So we trying to see the level, test out the level type shit.
stick BMW.
Flush, there we go. Wow. Make it happen. Find the sweet spot. I know they happy they come back and get their same parking spot.
Yep. It's a bitch to get a parking.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, chat. My boy Steven work is A1. He be working fast. You know what I'm saying? My boy pulled up, put the water pump gasket on, probably like in about 45 minutes, maybe I say an hour. And then he just did the water pump that quick, bro. In like less than 30 minutes. I mean, not the water pump, I keep the fuel pump. He put the water pump gasket on and did the water pump like 2 days ago. And I took like a probably like an hour and a half. But yeah, my guy is quick, bro. Shout out to my guy Steven, aka Make It Happen.